Okay, today we're going to be solving systems of equation by elimination. I'm going to be doing example 3. I have my two equations lined up, one right under the other. I'm going to take and I'm going to draw my line. And then I'm going to check to see, is there any equation that I can go through and eliminate? I have a 3x and a 3x. No, that's not a 0. 2 and a 1. Remember, there's an invisible 1 right here. And I cannot eliminate that. So therefore I have to say, okay, I need to get rid of one of the variables. I'm going to choose to get rid of the x's because they're both 3, and all I need to do is multiply the bottom equation by a negative 1. So I have a negative 1. I'm going to multiply negative 1 times 3 is negative 3. Negative 1 times 1 is negative 1. And negative 1 times 7 is negative 7. So therefore, did I eliminate the 3? Is 3 minus 3 is 0, and it is, so I eliminated the x. I'm going to go ahead and add 2 minus 1 is 1, so 1y. And then I've got negative 2 and a positive 2 and a negative 7, which is a negative 5. So therefore, I found out what my y is. My y is equal to negative 5. So now I'm going to take this negative 5 and plug it into one of the equations. Now again, I'm going to go ahead and just choose the top one because I believe the top one will be easier. So I have my 3x plus 2 times negative 5 is equal to 2. So now I have my 3x. 2 times negative 5 is negative 10 is equal to 2. Get my x by itself, so I'm going to add 10 to both sides. That made it a 0 here. I still have my 3x is equal to 12. Divide by 3, divide by 3. My x is equal to 4. So therefore, I found my equation, or my answer to my equation. It is 4 is my x, and negative 5 is my y. And again, if you wanted to take the time, we could go through, we could check our equation by plugging in our x and our y to both equations and the original equations. And when I get done, after checking them, they should both be true.